And here I have got new handguards. These are just a bit shabby looking, and I've given them a clean a few times, but they're just old. So pretty much a direct replacement with these. The only thing is, these have got this, which I'll show you right now. And it's like a wind screen for your handguards. And you get these in clear or grey smoke, yellow, red, but I opted for the heavy black tint. You know, both off of AliExpress. These were about £20 delivered as well. So pretty much £40 for the two items. So I shall crack on. So onto the handguards. You've got a T50 on the bar end, and you've got a T25 right there. So if you take them off, I'll give you access to this. For the mirror, you have to actually take the mirror off. 14mm spanners. Can I find 14mm spanners anywhere in here? No, I can't. So I found a little shifting spanner, so I used that. So that off, and don't drop the bar and weight on your bike, Johnny. Actually, I put my helmet on and put my GoPro on it to do this. That's a bit footery. So now I've got a little bag with two of these in it, which replace these factory ones. So it's this one I need. Then you've got what looks like 2 or 4 different size spacers, 2 pairs. Like this. So I'll try and figure out where these go. And you've also got 2 little bolts and 2 little threaded parts to screw them into, which I assume will go right there, if you can see that. I'll grab the camera in a moment once I've figured it out. So here we go, that's them pretty much on. And for 20 quid, they look pretty good. So I've just got the factory bolt. I replaced the factory insert here with the one that came with these handguards. So I've got that to put back through there. Got two things. Put the factory bar end weight, counterweight, whatever it's called, in place there. Then I just need to tighten this up. So before and after. I think I need to move that up a little bit. Pretty cool. So I just realised as I went to put this other one on that the other spacers that you get with this, show you that one on the seat, it's just like a washer that goes on the inside of your factory bar end weight, like that, and then your bolt will go through the handguard. And there I just dropped it again. You get the picture. Well, I'm pretty pleased with them. So that's the carbon fibre look, engine covers, engine guards, engine casing guards, whatever you want to call them, and the hand guards with the extended windscreens. Very impressed. Some say I'm easily impressed. Was that not bloody typical? Moving premises soon, and the light has died on me. So thanks to AliExpress, my unofficial sponsor. That's quite a lot of bits I've got off of them. So far it's the handguards with the screens, this shorter screen, the bags that go into my crash bars, the top box, and the cat bypass pipe for the Akrapovic. I know, a lot of good bargains on there to be had from AliExpress. So I'm a fan. AliExpress fanboy is me. So I shall leave you at this, folks. Peace out. Take care. Cheers for watching. Adios.